Hi friends, so welcome to a tutorial where I'm going to show you operating Quarky using my PictoBlox Android app. So it's in my smartphone. I'm recording the video from my smartphone and I have switched on the Quarky, and then I'm going to pair the Quarky device. Touching this, you see the color change to green. The blue color changed to green, and then okay, sometimes it gets disconnected. I think I have to charge it, but whatever, just ignore this part. And then from this block you have to select the Quarky first of all, and then you have to go to the next block where you have to plug it like this. And then what happens, you can do the usual block coding where you are saying that okay, when clicked, and then you go to the Quarky's specific blocks. When you select the Quarky board, you will get all these extra blocks. And what you see there, see, read state from digital pin, read state from analog pin, and all these things. So that means there are some pins that is programmable and you can read and write. Like if you know already Arduino or some other microcontroller, they have input and output pins. Input pins for accepting sensor input to sense the surroundings, and output pin for the after you receive all the senses, after you receive all the data from the sensor, you decide something in your microcontroller brain, and then you command your output to do this. For example, you see something and you was walking and you saw something in front of you, and then you suddenly commanded your wheel stop. So that commanding wheel is the output. That could be some digital pin where you are setting, because it's output means you are setting to the pin, and you are reading the analog pin means it's the input. You are receiving some data. Reading analog pin or digital pin based on what sensor you're using. If the sensor is a digital sensor, then you have to read digital pin. You have to use the read digital pin, and if it's analog sensor, you have to use read analog pin. Okay, so where are the pins? So you see here, if you look closely, there are some pins here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are some 6 pins. I'm not sure if yeah, there are some more pins, 1 2 3 4 5. So these 5 pins, this is the Quarky, and then you have all these light matrix, RGB light matrix. So unlike the microbit where you have all the colors, all the same color LED, here you have RGB LEDs. So little more you have little more control over the lights. And then you have 2 buttons in both sides. You can program it by using the button blocks. Where it will be, I haven't seen that before. Forward, you will come to all this. This is that buttons. Yeah, so when L button is pressed, what you want to do, so you just say when L button is pressed, I want to go left side. So what you say, go forward, left, go left at speed 100% for 1 second. Let me do it for 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Where is my keyboard? Okay, it's overlapping with my thing. Okay, let's make it 2 seconds, and then now need to connecting. Recently connected. This green color is connected only. So I'll press the left button and it turned left for 2 seconds. So it's keep turning for 2 seconds. It's not mentioned about degree. It's telling that how fast and for how much time you keep turning left. So if you're trying to turn left in a degree, this is not the right choice probably, or you have to calibrate. You have to understand how much time it takes for a given speed. The whole circle is 360 degree, and if you see it's taking 2 seconds or something, you have to do a calculation and find out what is the degree. Or there could be some block that says in degree.